I have the Redmi Watch 4, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to enable or disable the tap to wake screen feature. So there's a feature when the screen is off. Just put the screen off. When the screen is off, that you can tap on the screen to wake it up. So to enable that feature, just go to settings. The easiest way being swiping up and tapping on settings. And then on the settings page, tap on display. And then under display, scroll and find tap to wake. And go ahead and enable that. Now with that feature enabled, now whenever your screen is off, you can just tap on the screen, and that's going to wake up the screen, and you can quickly see the time. Okay, so let's do that again. Screen off, just tap, and that wakes up the screen. To disable, it's the same process. Just go to settings, swipe up and tap on settings, tap on display, find the tap to wake, and disable that. Okay. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.